Look at this, I got this seat, and there's so many parts. Who knew there were so many parts to a seat? But that's not why you're here. You're here to see me change this light out. So let's just skip right on past this part. Alright guys, so it's been a while since we've done a Himalayan related video. We had some other stuff we wanted to do, but I always wanted to get back to doing bike related videos. So I've seen a lot of people just replace the bulb with an LED bulb in the Himalayan, but I wanted to go a little bit further, and I picked this up. It's from a brand called Revival Cycles out of Austin, Texas, who does a bunch of custom motorcycle work. Really cool company. I'm gonna try to replace this headlight today. So we'll see if we can get that done. There it is. So as you can see, it's a full assembly that looks like a retro motorcycle headlight or like a retro Jeep headlight. All right, I'm gonna kind of try to talk through what I'm doing here. There's 2 screws here. I just need to come off. There's another one over here on this side. Alright, now this whole assembly should just pop right off here. Yep, there we went. So this is, I believe, for the high beam. So we'll just unplug that. And then the regular, I believe it's called H4, is just right there. Came right out of this. There you go, there's your old assembly. So now, this black part here, we have to get that off. I believe we gotta take these clips out that are holding it together. All right, let's see if we can get these to pop right on out of here. I tend to be a little too delicate with things like this. I just worry about breaking it. So I think I need to get under it. Huh, they're just sitting up there. So I might be able to. Oh my God. Yeah, so this just flung out at me. So we got one out. That actually wasn't that bad. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm getting in behind there and I'm just popping it out. Oh, it's getting easier. Yep, okay, so that's all of them. One step at a time here. There we go. There's our pieces. Got our pieces out. Now I gotta get that other one back in there. So, I'm gonna make a mark. Okay. So I know where the top of this is, and I know where the top of the frame piece is, the bezel. That's correct. Now I just have to figure out how to put these things back in here. So I'm not 100% sure the correct way to do this. Oh, you know what? This looks right. Oh my god, this is totally right. Hold on. Bam. Got it. Okay. So there's these. Here's another one over here. Well, hold on. I'll tell you here. So these little bump outs. This flat piece here goes on it like that. Oh, you can't see it. Goes on it kind of like that. Like that. Hugs it. Here, I'll get a couple in and I'll show you. By the way, if you haven't yet checked it out, check out our last video. It's a review of this Merlin Monty jacket that I wear during the winter. I'm really proud of the review. I'll leave it in the little card at the top of the screen here. Thanks for checking that out. See if this screwdriver helps make it any easier. I don't think it is. There we go. Got 2 in. See, the problem is people on the internet always say, like, oh yeah, that's a super simple job, should take like 20 minutes. I like to tell the truth and say, I don't know what I'm doing. I am completely new to anything mechanical or anything to do with a motorcycle or engines or anything like that. I'm completely new to all of that. And I just want to tell the truth about it and show my struggles. Show the issues that I have. But I think we're done. There's 2 more of these little clips. But, so these little tabs go on these little bumps on this one. And there's only 3 bumps. So, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. Let's get this bad boy in. All right, I got them back in there. Now I just need to put these screws back. Fingers crossed that it works. Here's what the standard Himalayan headlight looks like. That's on regular. That's the high beam. Regular. High beam. So that's the regular. That's the bright. Regular. Bright. Regular. Bright. We get a look at the front. Can't even really tell. There's the new one. There's the old one. Or maybe we should see what it looks like from the front, because it does kind of look a little bit unique. So just the bottom lights up on regular. And then you put the bright on. There you go, whole thing lights up. Again, just the bottom. That's the secret LED headlight from Revival Cycles. Let me know what you think about it. So far I think it's pretty cool. I haven't taken it out at night to really test the different levels of brightness and stuff, but I really like the way it looks. So I'm excited to get out and test it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Check out Revival Cycles website. They have a ton of stuff. I have some LED turn signals that I gotta figure out what to do with. Got a ton of stuff. Check out their hand-built motorcycles too. Really cool. Got a video coming up on the exhaust, so stay tuned. Thanks, guys.